Hi, welcome back to my channel. I recently made a video on the Symphony Air cooler. The model is Diet 3D55i Plus. I'll give a link to that in the description box. You can check it out. So this particular model has air cooling pads on the three sides, and in this video I will be showing you how to clean these filters and honeycomb pads. So you are able to see all the dirt that has been accumulated while sucking the air from the outside, right? So in a moment we will be seeing how to clean these air filters. Okay, so I will show you how to remove one of these pads. There are two screws at the top of each pad. Okay, now that the screws are removed, what you need to do is just hold it and just pull it back first and then lift it up. Okay, so it's as simple as that. So this is how the whole piece looks like. Okay, there is one screw here which has to be removed. There is a small plastic mesh beneath that which has to be removed. Okay, what you see, the blue color is the honeycomb pad, and below that you have the plastic mesh. Okay, we will see them in a minute. So I will also show you how to remove all of this. So let's first now remove this black plastic frame which is in the top. It's very light in weight, you know, it's very light. Okay, now this plastic frame has actually a small black button like thing through which it is fixed to the white frame. All you need to do is just use a small screwdriver and push it down. Once you push it down, it just dislodges itself. Very simple. So the frame is now removed, and to remove this honeycomb pad, you just need to lift it out of the frame. That's it. Simple as that. Okay, so do you see how dirty it is? All this dirt is from the air that was sucked in. So now just have a close look at this honeycomb pad. This is made of cellulose paper. If you see, the holes are actually not straight but in a cross fashion. Because of this, water inside these, when water flows inside these holes, it is retained for some time, and because of that the air gets much more cooler than while using the traditional wool pads. And actually it has been proved that the temperature of air coming out of the air cooler because of this honeycomb structure is 2 degrees lesser. 2 degrees lower than the traditional wool pads. So now let's remove this particular plastic mesh also. There's only one screw here. Okay, now that this plastic mesh is also removed, now let's go to the cleaning area. And I will show you how to clean the honeycomb pad as well as this plastic mesh. So we have put this honeycomb pad directly under the tap, and I am using a plastic brush to just dislodge all the dirt. So it's better to avoid any kind of soap. You don't require any soap, you can just plain brush is good enough. And the life of this particular honeycomb is 3 years, and you need to replace it in the 4th year. Whereas in the traditional wool pads, they have to be replaced every year. So the life of this is 3 years, and the cooling is also much better. It was very easy to clean it. There was no mess involved at all. Okay, so let's now clean the plastic mesh. It was very easy to clean this mesh also, and because this is plastic you can use some any soap also, but in our case it was not very difficult to clean it, so we just used the brush and cleaned it off. It just took 5 minutes to clean to dismantle and to open up and then to clean, not more than 5 minutes per pad. And what you need to do is just dry them out in the air for maybe 1 hour, and then assemble back all the parts and fix it back on the air cooler. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye, and I will see you in my next video.